Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can download and install Python 3.9.5 on Windows 10 operating system. So for this you just need to open your browser, and here you just need to type Python on Google search and press enter, and the first link which will appear here will be from python.org. So just click on this link, and here on this window go to downloads option. So here on the right hand side you can see this option which says Python 3.9.5. so just click on this option. So you can see it's going to download and it will take a minute, so just wait for some seconds. Now as you can see we have downloaded it. So you just need to click on this exe file and minimize the browser and click run option, and then here you can see the installer started. So here you just need to click on customize installation, and then on the next window you just need to check these check boxes if you want, like pip, and the second option is idle IDE PyLauncher, and then click on next. Now you can see yes, I want to install for all users and rest keep as it is, and this is the location where you want to install Python 3.9.5. if you want to change the location, click on browse, but in my case it should be fine, and I'm going to click on install option. Now the installation started, and now you can see this message which is the setup was successful. So click on close, and now you just open your command prompt to check whether it's working fine or not. So go to your command prompt, and here you just need to type python hyphen version and press enter. So you can see here Python 3.9.5 is installed on our system, and you can also use py hyphen version to check it. Press enter here. You can see we installed it successfully. So now if you want to run your first program, type py and press enter. Here you can see let us print something, quickly print, and you can type anything you want. Let's say I print programming therapy, and I will press enter, and you can see the same will get printed. So everything looks fine. This is how you can download and install Python 3.9.5 on your Windows 10 operating system. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.